What is a dropped Pitman arm? Have you ever wondered how the steering system in trucks and 18-wheelers adapts when the vehicle is lifted? One key component in this process is the dropped Pitman arm. So, what exactly is a dropped Pitman arm? A dropped Pitman arm is a specialized part of the steering system, particularly used in trucks that have been lifted to increase ground clearance. The Pitman arm connects the steering box to the steering linkage, allowing the driver to turn the wheels. When a truck is lifted, the position of the suspension and axles changes, which can lead to the steering linkage being at an awkward angle. This is where the dropped Pitman arm comes into play. The design of a dropped Pitman arm includes a downward offset. This drop helps to lower the connection point on the steering linkage, allowing it to better align with the new suspension geometry. The main goal of using a dropped Pitman arm is to restore proper steering geometry after a lift. This adjustment helps maintain stable and responsive steering, which is essential for safe driving. Without a dropped Pitman arm, the steering linkage may be forced into a position that can cause problems. Drivers might experience increased wear on steering components, poor handling, or even steering instability. There are some technical aspects to keep in mind when considering a dropped Pitman arm. For instance, it can slightly change the steering arm length or leverage. This alteration can affect how far the wheels turn in relation to the steering wheel input. Some drivers want to ensure that the drop does not reduce the total steering range or responsiveness. Another issue that can arise with lifted trucks is known as death wobble. This is a severe shaking or vibration of the front wheels and steering system. Some users find that installing a dropped Pitman arm can help reduce or eliminate this problem by improving steering geometry. However, it often depends on the condition of other suspension and steering components. It is also important to note that while a dropped Pitman arm can improve alignment, it does not fix worn or loose components that cause excessive play in the steering wheel. Those issues requiring a thorough inspection and may involve replacing parts like the Pitman arm ball joint or tie rods. In summary, a dropped Pitman arm is a specialized steering arm designed to correct steering angles in lifted trucks and 18-wheelers. It plays a vital role in maintaining proper steering function and vehicle control after modifications. However, it is not a catch-all solution for steering problems. Regular maintenance and inspection of all steering components are essential for safe and reliable truck operation.